Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Standard 9, English Bridge Course, Activity 18. Let's have fun with anagrams today. Anagrams, a quiz game. You are going to learn new words, expressions and enrich your vocabulary through reading. You can play new activity with your friends, make anagrams. Okay? An anagram is a play on words created by rearranging the letters of original words to make a new word or phrase. दिए गए शब्द के अक्षर लेटर्स रीअरेंज करना है और नया मीनिंगफुल शब्द या फ्रेज बनाना है जिसे एनाग्राम कहते हैं. We can often find examples of anagrams in everyday life. जैसे state. इस वर्ड के लेटर्स रीअरेंज करो, वर्ड बन जाता है टेस्ट. save, SAVE से बन जाता है VASC, वास. see here, dusty, study. think, night, 10, net, and some more words for practice. Dairy, diary. Former, reform. Listen, silent. Funeral, real, fun. टीचर का एनाग्राम बनता है चीटर. And some more anagrams, 3-letter words anagrams. Dog, God, damn, mad. Saw, was. Cat, act. Tip, pit. Add, dad. How, who. Bat, tab. But, tub. Net, 10. Bin, nib. Art, tar. 4-letter words. Lead, deal. Shop, posh. Name, main. Care, race. Lamb, palm. Lamb, balm. Read, deer. Post, stop. Tool, loot. Cafe, face. Best, beds. Tier, rate. 5 and 6-letter words. Night, thing. Study, dusty. Hard, earth. Elbow, below. Teach, cheat. Lemon, melon. Orange, norage. Battle, tablet. Height, eighth. Bleeds, stable. Listen, enlist. Collar, recall. These are the words which have their anagrams. You can make some meaningful anagrams also. The eyes, THEEYES. इन वर्ड से एनाग्राम बनता है दे सी, द फंक्शन ऑफ आईज. द आईज दे सी. स्कूल मास्टर, इस वर्ड से एनाग्राम बनता है द क्लासरूम. इट इज सेड दैट इन द एंशियंट ग्रीस people used to find the hidden and mystical meanings in names using anagrams. French Louis King 13. In his court, Thomas Billion used to entertain the courtiers with funny anagrams. The scientists and many researchers recorded their inventions, research using anagrams so that no one could steal it. the well-known famous people purposely made the genius one to make anagrams of their names. For example, Disraeli. The anagram of his name was I lead Sir. Florence Nightingale. The anagram Fleet on, cheering angel. And nowadays, anagram is a language game. And we learn with fun using anagrams. Then, one more activity for you students. There are some words in English which sound like words in Marathi or Hindi. Write meaning in English, Marathi and Hindi. For example, bhakri, chitta, roti, naniyal and many more words. Collect words for anagrams and also collect words with similar sounds in Marathi, Hindi and English. See here the words like chaat, cheat, chutney, garam masala, guru, jungle, khaki, karma, loot, maharaja, mantra, paisa, pandit, paijamas, sari and veranda. These are some examples words from Hindi used in English. Okay, go on enlisting and finding more words such as these words. Then go on Diksha video with this QR code to watch the activity anagrams and words from mother tongue. Today you have enriched your word power and now you can make anagrams. You can refer dictionary to check whether the anagram is right. It should be meaningful. Go on making and playing with anagrams. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.